Dear students, let's discuss the syllabus of financial markets and institutions. The first chapter, an overview of financial markets. What are the contents? Financial markets, nature, functions, then types of financial market like money market, capital market, market for derivatives, then working of stock exchanges in India. The main stock exchanges NSE and BSE. Role of SEBI, Securities Exchange and Board of India. Major international stock markets, important international stock exchanges. Okay, this is the first module. Second module, commodity market, multi-commodity exchange, national commodity and derivative exchange, and Indian commodity exchange. Their functions, administration, regulations and general mechanism, international commodity markets, debt market, types of debt market, functions, instruments, operational mechanism, hindrances for the development of debt markets. Third module is financial instruments. Issue of financial instruments, primary issue, book building process, private placement, offer for sale, buyback of shares, various innovative financial instruments, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, etc. And fourth module, developmental financial institutions. AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds of India, IFCI, NABARD, State Financial Corporations, UTI, SIDBI, Mutual Fund, SEBI Guidelines on Mutual Fund, Provident Fund, Pension Funds, Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA Act, insurance companies, IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. Okay. The next module, foreign capital flows, forms of foreign capital, FDI and FPI, FIIs, international financial instruments, ADR, GDR, IDR and Eurobonds. Role of foreign capital in Indian financial system. Trends in foreign capital inflows to India. Regulatory framework for foreign capital flows. Okay, thank you.